Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails on your iPhone. Now, if you have the Yahoo Mail app open and it's just not receiving or sending any emails, let's first just close out of the app completely and head into the Settings app of your iPhone. Within the Settings app, the first thing we're going to do is go to airplane mode and toggle it on. This will disconnect from your Wi-Fi and your cell service. And then let's just toggle that back off. Essentially, we're just checking to make sure it's not an issue with your internet connection, and that's why you're not getting those emails. However, if you've already done that, let's go down to the bottom. At the very bottom, you'll see apps. Let's tap on that to get to the Mail app settings. So from here, let's just scroll down until you find Mail on this list. So there it is, just tap on Mail. And now the first thing I would recommend checking is cellular data here. If this is toggled off, this will mean that your email app can only receive emails if you're on Wi-Fi. So make sure to turn this on so that when you're on cell data through your network, you'll also be able to get those emails. And next, we'll just tap on Mail accounts at the very top. Let's check that Yahoo Mail. There is my Yahoo account. The first thing you can try to do is toggle Mail off here. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete your emails. It just removes them from your iPhone, but they'll still be on the Yahoo server. It won't mess up or delete anything. And then we'll just toggle this back on. Check to see if it works at that point. If it doesn't work, let's tap on Account Settings at the bottom. And now from here, you can see my name and my Yahoo email. We're going to check the incoming server and the outgoing server. So you can see outgoing server, SMTP. Let's tap on that. And at the very top, Yahoo, let's tap on that. Make sure the server is turned on, and you should have Use SSL as toggled on, and the server port should be 465. So make sure it looks the same as my iPhone looks right now. If it does, let's go back out of here, back again, and then we're going to tap on Advanced at the very bottom. This will show us the incoming server on here and all of the information about what it will do with all of the emails. So let's scroll down. You'll be able to see on here, it says, okay, it's going to archive the emails, draft, move discarded messages, delete messages, or remove. You might want to switch this to never so that you're able to receive those messages and it's not automatically deleted. So make sure everything looks similar to what I have here. If you go through all these steps and it still doesn't work, let's go back out of here. Within your Yahoo account, let's just try deleting it and re-adding it. Now this sounds scary, but if you tap delete and delete account here, you'll be able to see it removes it from your Mail app. However, again, this doesn't delete any of your emails. They're still on the Yahoo server. So we're just going to tap add an account. And you can just enter in that Yahoo email address or hit the choose from a list. And there is Yahoo. Just tap on Yahoo and it will pop up and say, okay, do you want to just sign back into your account and re-add that Yahoo email? So go through this process. It should fix that issue. If it doesn't fix the issue, let's go back out of here. And we're going to go back to the very beginning of your settings. So just tap that back arrow until you get to the very beginning of your settings. And now from here, we're going to do a network reset to fix a lot of issues with the network connection of your iPhone connecting to emails. So tap on General here, right under Battery. And now we're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on that Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now from here, we're going to choose reset towards the bottom, but we don't need to reset all those settings. Again, just the network settings. These are essentially the settings on how your iPhone is connected to the network. So tap on that second option, reset network settings. Enter in the passcode for your phone. This will reset all those settings, but it will also go through the process of rebooting your iPhone, and it should be fixed at that point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you on the next one.